Hi guys! It's Monday. Monday means school, work, more work. So yeah, that's on the docket for today is work. I had a doctor's appointment this morning. That went really well. Got new meds ordered. Well, not new meds. Same old meds, but new prescription of them. Anyways. So I'm trying out this new app. I think it's called Filmatic Pro. It's on the App Store. It's I think $3. So, and it may have been on sale for $3 actually, so maybe more. So I'm just trying that out. I'm also going to try out, I'm going to get some like artsy fartsy shots. I think of the cats or motion or whatever, and I'm going to try doing some layers on that. I also got another one whose name I can't remember, but I'll try and put it in the description if I remember. And that one does lots of layers, lots of filters. It looks really good for filters. I don't really use filters because this is a vlog, but, you know, sometimes that might be nice, especially if I decide to do a movie or some little shots of artsy-fartsy stuff, like I said. So, we'll see. Sorry about the camera being so shaky, guys, but I just did some Mindy, some henna, depends on which part of the world you're in. It's real simple, got it from Google. Just a little something to decorate my hands. This may become an artsy-fartsy shot. Hi, Flid! Flid, baby! Flid, baby! Oh, precious. So I just got off work. It was awesome as usual. There's this one guy who's really weird, but that's all. I actually forgot what time it was, and my boss was like, "It's time for you to leave," and I was like, "What? I'm having so much fun." Played The Sims. I decorated this house. If you want to check it out, it's on Tumblr. Or this room. I didn't actually decorate a house. I decorated a room on Tumblr. So I'll post that. And now I'm taking a walk around a little nature trail that we have outside, and it's really beautiful. Like I said, it's a beautiful day. The weather dropped, and so like I said, it's probably in the 50s now. My hands are actually getting cold, which is surprising. Doesn't normally happen here, so just wondering what everybody's up to.